That's not how you eat a bread. Day 3 ng tinapay.
That's not for giving me 150.
Pandesal na, naging bato pa. And passion fruit juice. Fresh.
Okay.
Hmm?
Good.
How about egg?
Egg. Egg.
Mm.
Let's see. Move.
Move.
Try to help you. This.
Like that. Good job.
My time to put it down.
Gusto nila ma-experience yung straw.
Mine.
You share.
Yeah.
It's good to share.
Look, gonna fall. Auntie, do you want some passion fruit?
That's nice of you to ask, Calby. Chico, what are you doing with that small hands? Mm. You see?
See?
No, it's dirty now.
You have to wash your hands. Your turn. Don't touch my juice and don't drink it.
Okay, Chico's turn.
No.
He doesn't want.
It cannot fit so that juice cannot go. See?
Ah, oh no.
And
Oh no.
see? That's why it cannot.
It's okay. Remove the straw. Sorry, Chico.
You cannot drink.
Sorry, Chico. Sorry. Oh, you can drink from the bottle now.
Because it's too smaller.
Ba mo dong ay.
I can use it now a lot of times.
Yes, for you.
Let me see how with mom's some.
Alright guys, time check. Alauna na ng hapon. Nag-order kami ni Auntie ng, what's that? Tilapia. Yeah. Already ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Auntie will fry for us some tilapia pritong tilapia partner sa pinakbet kasi si Auntie ay nagluto ng pinakbot. Dahil sabi ko kay Auntie, kumain kami ng gulay tsaka isda. Iwasan muna namin yung karne para ma-expose din namin yung mga bata. So alauna na ngayon, ang lunchtime dito sa Uganda guys ay 2:00. Kung mga Pinoy bago pa lang kayo dito sa Uganda, naku, warning sa inyo, 2:00 po yung lunch dito. Baka mamaya makuyapan na kayo, nagtataka kayo bakit walang pagkain. Dahil 2:00 sila nagsiserve ng lunch. Saka yung isda na meron sila dito ay very limited lang. Nile perch, tilapia, tsaka dilis. Yung maliliit na isda. Yung iba hindi ko na alam. Kaya ang kinakain ko dito, tilapia lang talaga. Nung umuwi kami ng Pilipinas last December, nagtataka yung mga kapatid ko kasi nagtatanong sila, tilapia, anong gusto mo for dinner? Tilapia, for breakfast, merong fresh tilapia. Sagot ko, ayoko kasi dito sa Uganda, tilapia talaga yung lagi kong kinakain na isda. Ayun. So, antay lang tayo ng konti. Ako'y nagtatrabaho sa computer and then after this, sana malagay ko yung mga bata para sa konting tulog. Chico is a cartoon character. Ayan guys, nagluto si Auntie ng pritong tilapia at pakbet. Meron ako ditong salad na talong and batok na kanin. Batok na kanin. Alright, let's eat. Alright, ayun. Time check tayo guys, alas 12 na tanghali dito sa Uganda, kontinente ng Africa. At alam ko at nababasa ko yung mga comment ninyo na nagtatanong kayo at namimiss ninyo si Kuya Kahil. Syempre naman, lagi naman akong merong update para sa kanya. Pero, hindi ko lang na-upload sa mga recent episodes natin dahil iba naman yung pinag-usapan natin last time. Lagi ko po nakakausap si Kahil ng walang mindis you guys every single day, lalong-lalo na bago siya matulog. Though, merong mga challenges lately sa buhay niya sa Thailand, pero we are being positive ng tatay niya and we are trying to encourage him na to give it time and he will be feeling and he will be a lot better sa mga changes na to. So Kuya Kahil now is wearing his uniform. Ayan, nakikita niyo dyan ayan, nakikita ninyo sa picture na yan. He's wearing his full uniform now sa kanyang international school dyan sa Thailand. He's currently in primary 5. Pero dyan kasi sa Thailand guys, ang education system, lalo na sa mga international schools, ay very advanced. So, tumawag siya sa akin nung isang araw after niya maglaro sa hapon while waiting for his dad to pick him up, and he was telling me na he's having a really fun time with his new friends and his class, and slowly nakaka-catch up naman siya sa mga subjects, though masyadong ang delayed yung mga na-learn niya dito sa Uganda, pero at least binaback upan or talagang sinasamahan at tinutulungan naman siya ng kanyang daddy. Napansin ko din kay Kuya Kahil guys, medyo tumaba ng bongga yung bata kahit ilang linggo pa lang. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, grabe si Kahil magkain. Yung kanyang appetite ay very good. Pero I don't have any problem with Kahil when it comes to food intake. Though, syempre, pag bata, minsan talaga naghahanap yan ng mga junk food, hamburger, fries, fried chicken. Though, sinabihan siya ng tatay niya na they have to control those kind of food kasi hindi na yun maganda, lalo na ngayon na nagtitraining siya. As expected, he started training na din sa school during weekdays under sa tatay niya dahil nagko-coach din ang kanyang tatay ng soccer for extra class. So he's able to see and he's able to really observe yung mga kailangan pang i-improve at yung mga lack of skills ni Kuya Kahil pagdating sa soccer. But it's not as bad as I thought it was kasi nga parang 4 months siyang hindi nakapag-training dito sa Uganda bago siya pumunta ng Thailand. Though, over the weekend when he went back to his long-time coach nung nandun kami sa Thailand before at nag-send ng video yung tatay niya, and he also told me that Kahil actually scored 7 goals for the team that he's playing for during the friendly match, yung sa mismong academy lang na yon. So far so good. Nagtanong ako kung meron bang negative report or kung saan ba pwedeng i-improve. Sabi ng tatay, he was really doing well. He did not expect him to be still having that kind of energy and speed in him in playing soccer. So ngayon guys, parang minsan natatawa ako sa kanya kasi tumatawag siya sa akin and then nagsasabi ng mga nangyayari sa araw-araw. Then nung isang gabi, isa sa mga challenges na napansin niya ay ang homework ay sobrang dami and sometimes he has difficulty catching up to the point na hindi niya natatapos ng gabi kasi gabi na, alas 9 na, hindi pa siya tapos. So kailangan niyang gumising ng 5 o'clock ng umaga to finish the homework. Very particular kasi no guys sa Thailand, lalo na sa mga international school, yung mga homework. Particular sila dyan. Pero tinutulungan naman siya ng tatay niya. Natatawa nga ako sa kanya kasi sabi niya, "Mom, look at this." Meron na daw siyang black eye. At napansin ko naman, meron siyang dark circle. Sabi ko sa kanya, bumawi siya ng tulog kapag weekend. Or sinasabihan namin siyang tatay niya na it will get better soon. There's a lot of There's a lot of adjustments, but with the support of his dad and of course with the support, whatever support I can give, we are hoping na Kahil will be better. And he will be able to really catch up with the time, with the schedule, with the level of education, with his trainings very soon.
Ano ka?
आपको पहन लो
Very good. Okay, Tong. Cái đây ta xem má mày đi. Mày let's go. Lên 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 lên. Okay. And pass. Hey, we gonna get this flag now. We gonna get this flag, I tell you. Yes.
Alright, guys. Say alright, guys. Say alright, guys.
Alright, guys.
Aha. So hanggang doon lang yung chikahan natin ngayong umaga, guys, dahil alam nyo naman hands-on nanay tayo dito na side. Actually, I am really grateful na andyan si Chico tsaka si Kulot dahil at least hindi ko masyadong namimiss ang ibang mga bata dahil they are enough to keep me busy. And auntie, ayun, syempre namimiss nila si Kuya Kahil, pero lagi naman siyang tumatawag every day. Kuya Kahil. So right now, guys, papatulugin ko lang si Chico dahil it's already nap time. Ayan. Ganito din si Kahil before nung...
Kuya Carol.
Say love you.
Love you.
Ganito din si Kahil noon, very clingy. Actually, most sa kanila. Dahil gusto ko na sa akin lagi yung bata. Siya kahit si Kulot din clingy. Pero ngayon si Kulot na doon sa kay auntie. Nagbabanding sila ni auntie. So kami muna ni Chico. Mwah! Alright, we'll see you guys on the next episode.
Boom.
Yay! Say bye. Don't forget
Bye.
to say. Don't forget to like. Say like.
Like,
Subscribe.
like,
And press the bell button. Bell button. Say bell button. Alright. See you guys on the next episode. Bye.
boom.
Okay, say bye. Love you. Say love you.
Love you.
Okay.